Hello everyone, my name is Fatima. So I'll be showing you how to make gather stitch using your manual sewing machine. So you have to fix your thread in your bobbin case like this, just the way I'm doing it. Then you fix it. Make sure your stitches is on the last part, then you keep sewing on a straight line without backstitching. You can see the gathers is forming gradually. So I found this method very easy to sew my gathers and I thought to share. So you can try it out and let me know your feedback if it works for you. It's very simple and easy to make. And it is adjustable. You can adjust how full you want it to be,